Hi there, today we are going to be reading The Gingerbread Man. Now I know we've read The Gingerbread Man before, but we haven't read this one. Now there are different types of Gingerbread Man stories. Sometimes they have different endings, different characters, different events that happen, right? So we haven't read this one yet. So what I want you to do is when you make your prediction, I want you to predict what you think is going to be a little bit different in this story. Are there going to be different characters? Is the end going to be different? Do you think the beginning is going to be different? Go ahead and make your prediction. Alright, if you need more time, just pause the video, but let's get started. The Gingerbread Man. Retold by Louise Martin, meaning Louise is not the first person to come up with this story, right? But she got the story of the Gingerbread Man and made it into her own, okay? So she changed a little bit of things here and there. Once upon a time, a little old man and a little old woman lived in a cottage near the river. One morning, the little old woman decided to bake a gingerbread man as a special treat. So here she is. The little old man. Her cookbook. Do you see the cookbook? The little old woman mixed together all the ingredients to make the gingerbread dough. Then she rolled the dough out flat and used the cutter to make it into the shape of a little man. Finally, she made some icing for his eyes and mouth, and she gave him 3 curtain buttons and a cherry for a nose. The gingerbread man was ready to be baked. Half an hour later, the gingerbread man was baked and the little old woman opened the oven. Suddenly, the gingerbread man jumped up and ran through the open kitchen door. "Stop!" cried the old woman, running after him. "I want to eat you." But the gingerbread man wouldn't stop. He didn't want to be eaten. Ready? If you want to sing this with me, go ahead. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man, he chanted. So whenever we come across this right here, if you want to sing with me, go ahead. So far, is there anything a little bit different? Let's keep reading, see if anything else is different. See here, little old woman, little old man, gingerbread man. The gingerbread man ran past the little old man. "Stop!" cried the little old man. "I want to eat you." But the gingerbread man ran even faster. "I've run away from a little old woman, and I can run away from you," he said. Here we go. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man, he chanted. Look at him. He's smiling and just looks like he's kind of skipping along. Look at their faces. Do they look happy? The little old man and the little old woman chased the gingerbread man into the yard, but he was too fast. As he ran, he passed a pig. "Stop!" snorted the pig. "I want to eat you." But the gingerbread man ran even faster. "I've run away from a little old woman and a little old man, and I can run away from you," he said. Still smiling. And they're still running, and he looks kind of confused. Please pay attention to the characters and the setting, the plot, all those story elements we've been talking about. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man, he chanted. The pig chased the gingerbread man, followed by the old man and the little old woman. The gingerbread man ran past a cow by the barn. "Stop!" mooed the cow. "I want to eat you." "I run from a little old woman, a little old man, and a pig, and I can run away from you," the gingerbread man cried. They're still going. What character do you think is going to come next? Go ahead and let you make a prediction. What other animal is going to come and that's going to want to eat the gingerbread man? Let's see if your prediction comes true. Horse. Was it the horse? Okay. So if you want to sing with me, go ahead. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man, he chanted. The cow, the pig, and the little old man and the little old woman all chased the gingerbread man, but the gingerbread man was too fast. The gingerbread man ran past a horse in the field. "Stop!" neighed the horse. "I want to eat you. I ran away from a little old woman a little old man, a pig, and a cow, and I can run away from you, he said. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the Gingerbread Man, he chanted. The horse chased the Gingerbread Man, followed by the cow, the pig, the little old man, and the little old woman. But the Gingerbread Man was too fast. Look at him. Is he still smiling? Look at their faces. They look mad now. Remember earlier they looked a little confused. Now they look just mad. Give me a thumbs up. Do you think they're frustrated, the characters that are chasing the Gingerbread Man? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Yeah, it's just looking at their faces, you can tell they look frustrated. Why would they be frustrated? Well, they're hungry and they want to eat the Gingerbread Man. Why? Well, he's a cookie, right? But he just wants to, he's just being silly. He just wants to get away. He's finally not smiling. This whole time he's been smiling. Why do you think he stopped smiling? What happened? The river's right here. And can he cross the river? No, because he's a cookie. And if he gets wet, what's going to happen? Well, he's going to crumble, right? Okay, so here are all the characters. Then the Gingerbread Man reached a river and stopped. The sparkly water swirled in front of him. Oh no, I can't swim, he cried. How will I get across? So he can't swim, but he probably doesn't also know that he's a cookie, and if he gets wet, he'll just crumble. Look at the fox. Do you see him? Does he look sneaky? Mm-hmm. A sly and hungry fox saw the Gingerbread Man and licked his lips. Jump onto my tail and I will take you across the river, he said. So the Gingerbread Man jumped onto the fox's tail. Look at the Gingerbread Man's face. Do you think he's happy still? He's not smiling. He looks scared. Look at the fox. He looks hungry. Oh, look, they're getting to the end. Do you think without me reading, I would like for you to make a prediction. Do you think he's going to make it across? Or do you think the fox is going to play a trick on the Gingerbread Man? Be tricky, sneaky. Give you a moment to think about it. Okay, let's read. After swimming halfway, the fox said, "You're too heavy for my tail. Jump onto my back." There he is. So the Gingerbread Man ran along the fox's bushy tail and jumped onto his back. Let's see. Let's see if your prediction comes true or not. Uh-oh, look at this picture. After a while, the fox cried, "You're too heavy for my back. Jump onto my nose." So the Gingerbread Man jumped onto the fox's nose. But as soon as they reached the river bank, the fox flipped the Gingerbread Man up into the air, snapped his mouth shut, and gobbled him up. And that was the end of the Gingerbread Man. The end. So, did your prediction come true? Remember I told you some stories have a different ending, different characters. Did you notice anything that was different? Or was mostly the same? All right. So we've gone over plot elements today, and we went over fantasy. So I would like for you to think of the different characters in the story. I'd like for you to think of the setting, the plot, what happened in the beginning, middle, end, the problem and resolution. There's a couple of different problems. Gingerbread Man had a problem. The fox kind of had a problem that he was trying to get resolved. Different things that are happening. And the next thing I want you to think about is, was this story fantasy? Yes or no? I want you to think about it for a minute. On the next slide, you're going to go ahead and have a little read discussion over, yes, it was fantasy, or no, it wasn't, and why do you think that? Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's story, The Gingerbread Man.